Yay, let's go out. Oh no, gas went up again. Let's go home. Good morning, hot dogs. Welcome back to the fun. We're doing it real big in Chinatown. Can't go to Knott's today. It's raining. What else is there to do other than they eat? Let's get some Chinese food. ABC Seafood, because it's good and it's open. Good morning, hot dogs. Whoa. Welcome back to fun.
Back to the fun.
Nona's here.
Hi.
Whoa. All right, so the kids, they want Jack. So we're gonna get this to go because there's nowhere to eat here. But there it is, my guys. ABC Seafood. 205 Ord Street. Chinatown, right? Mm-hmm. All right. We're gonna get a bunch of food. Maybe enough to have leftovers for tomorrow. Rolling in the bus. It's 9 a.m. Gotta do it early because we want to avoid traffic. There was already a little bit of traffic. Some people are driving like it's a dry day today. I honked the ish out of them. But here it is. Wow. Pretty much everything is ready. There's some empty dishes, but there's a lot. Nice. That looks good right there. What is that? Chicken? What is this? I see bone in this one. I don't know what that is. Maybe pork? Chicken wings. Giant chicken wings. Chicken feet. Broccoli, noodles, rice, fish. Cheaper than Panda. And I'm betting that they're gonna give me way more food. I see the shrimpy bears. Yeah. Yeah, that one's better than chow mein. This is real orange chicken. I'm gonna try this chicken. I need a lot of protein.
This one, right?
Yes, please. What is that? It has sesame. We're definitely getting some sumai. Ooh, that looks good. 4 in each order. We're probably gonna get 3. We're getting some shrimp balls right there. I thought this was dessert. There's chicken in there and whatnot. No, thank you. And we got duck. We're gonna skip the duck. It's pork. Nice. Looks like you could order a whole pig. 338. Nice. Yummy. Super cool double dragon. And their eyes are lit up. Hey, there it is. Happy Cesar Chavez Day. Was it today? No, Monday? Last Monday? I don't know. Somewhere around this week. So we're going back home. Gotta go back towards the valley. We gotta go to Target. You wanna join us? Come with us. We are blocked. Well, the kids are blocked out for Universal. But anyways, it's raining. So no Universal, no Knott's this weekend. Maybe tomorrow. Maybe for Knott's. We'll give it a shot. When it's raining and it's daylight, do yourself a favor and turn on your lights. Because they don't come on automatically during the day. But it helps you be more visible. You see the car in front of me compared to the one on the right. You're more visible to me, to other drivers. So that's gonna help you, especially when it's raining harder. Go get a table. We're gonna eat here. This was for the Chinese food, but we got a lot for like tomorrow and whatnot, leftovers. The kids and my iced coffee, 32 bucks. Look. Is this a leg or a wing? I don't know. It's big. Four out of 5 for the wings. Oh, that's a bunch of shumai. What is there? Pork and shrimp in there? Let's try it. Pretty big, hefty, dense. Mmm, so good. I don't know any better. 5 out of 5. So yummy. Here's my iced coffee, caramel iced coffee from Jack in the Box. 5 out of 5. These are good. Last but not least, finally getting to my food. Wow. Extreme close up. Whoa. Orange chicken, some kind of other teriyaki chicken, noodles and rice. Okay, I was really interested in this chicken. Let's try it. It'll be alright. Nice protein. I'll get a 3 out of 5. Now we got the orange chicken. Looks a little darker than orange, so that means it's gonna be good. Orange chicken, 4 out of 5. But these noodles right here, 5 out of 5. 4 out of 5 for the rice, so overall 5 out of 5. A lot of food, pretty good, yummy. I gotta get some of Nona's. What is that? Pork? Yeah. And that's how you do it real big for breakfast. Build your own buffet of Chinese food from Chinatown. Let's go to Target. Target!
Toy! Candy!
Yeah! Quiet. Target, California, where they lock stuff up instead of the criminals. Next, TP. Nona calls it toilet paper. Angel Soft, yay. Charmin is the worst. Going up. Sooner or later, we're gonna hit the pool. $5. It looks like a volleyball. But coffee creamer. These are pretty delicious. Toys. That one looks pretty cool. Selena gave me a gift card for my birthday, so I still haven't used it. This one looks amazing. This one does too. I saw a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle Transformers pre-order online. And it's coming out in July, I believe, so we're gonna have to wait for that one. Bumblebee. Where you going, Brandon? Where's Hobby House? What are we looking at? The stuff? This one's pretty cool. Micro Machines Optimus Prime. Exclusive vehicle, what is that? A Pontiac? That looks dope. Transformers blind box. I don't like blind boxes. What if you're repeating what you're buying? I don't like that. $10? No way. The Optimus Prime looks like it's $20. Hey, Gil found it. Oh, Ecto 1. It's pretty cool. I guess it's Slimer, Ecto 1, and that drone. But I already have a toy. I already have Ecto 1s. What'd you find? Oh, is that the remote control Godzilla? And he breathes fire? Actually breathes fire? Is it? Where's the control? By the way, we are on our way later today to go see Godzilla X Kong. Been waiting for it. Look, he has the gauntlet.
The Beast Boy.
Super cool. This Batman / wannabe Transformer is huge. It's on sale, $33 actually. Plus, looks like I might get $5 off. I mean, I love Mustangs, but not the Mach-E electric appliance. But this one is really cool. I'm gonna get it. Alright, for basketball, you need a basketball and some hoops. For soccer, just a soccer ball. That's it. No wonder it's so popular. Maybe I'll get into pickleball. $100? No wonder nobody plays this. What is it made out of? Panda? You can make one out of wood for $1. As far as football, you don't need all the gear. You just need the ball. Trust me. I've gone with the high school kids back in high school times at the park. $20 for a ball. We got the old OG King Kong merch. Can you see him? Kind of, maybe. Yeah, there he is. This guy looks cool. He looks just like me in Halloween. That's my go-to costume. Wednesday, though. And the hand. What's the hand's name again? Thing?
Thing.
Old school Godzilla. Look how chafa they look. Oh, that's so cool. Brings back memories. I used to watch these movies. Alright, let's go pay. Let's go back up downstairs.
You know what I was just thinking?
Which one?
That even though like a lot of DVDs and Blu-ray, the discs are disappearing, you know what hasn't disappeared?
Which ones?
Paper books.
Paper
They're
books?
everywhere. Books will never disappear. I don't think so.
Probably not. But DVDs for sure, because the tech. Yeah, there's no DVDs. This is the only DVDs I see. Well, there's more over there, but usually it used to be this whole files. Let's go, my guys. See, I'm a fan of RCs. This is a Traxxas. This is a real deal, though. This one's $500. I think, yeah, Nona gave this for me for my birthday a while ago, years ago. With my gift card from Selena. Thank you, Selena. $7 out of pocket. Nowhere near as close as the Traxxas, but I don't want to pay for a Traxxas. They're so expensive. And here's Buddy. I already fed you, so calm down. Calm down. Looks like these days you don't need a PlayStation anymore. Playing Fortnite. If you need your windows tinted, residential or a vehicle, call that guy. More Fortnite. Good job. It's time, my guy, it's time. Godzilla X Kong. There's Nana. There. Cinemark. Cine Chafa. But it's our Chafa. A little early. Let's go to the Starcade. No. She has cash. What do we have here? Sonic and Knuckles, Five Nights at Freddy's. Whoa! Super expensive. Multiplayer. Go ahead, my guys. Let's see what you got. Uh-oh. Oh, they both made one already. Good job. Whoa. I lost count now, but the first two of each shot. Oh, good job. This game gives you a lot of shots. A lot of time. We win. He's tired out. That was super cool. Uh-oh, here's Mama. Alright, let's see what this can do. Yes, we won. Hey, there's no strength in that. Chapa. Deadpool's super cool. Oh, look, the writing really is on the wall. Where is everyone? Everybody got their chips and nachos. Good job. Now. Who liked Godzilla for X Kong? How many good jobs?
5.
5? You, Sweetie Bear? 5? Yeah, I'll give it a 5. It was awesome. What should I say? What can I say? The movie was pretty awesome. It was fun. Have you seen the old Godzilla movies compared to this one? And I liked the ones back then when I was a little kid. Way better. Good job. It's Resurrection Day tomorrow. No, not eggs and bunnies. Resurrection. Anyways, if you're enjoying the fun, subscribe to Jesus. Bye.